Hey guys, Gary here with Automatic Door and Hardware, and today I thought I'd talk about how to tell if you have a fire door. Now this is very important. Fire doors require specific type of hardware that meets fire codes. Specifically like the UL10C, which is for fire door assemblies, whether that be door closers or door weather stripping. You want to make sure, or even kick plates, you want to make sure that you have the right door hardware for a fire door. It is unsafe to install non-fire rated door hardware or door hardware that does not meet fire code or fire specs onto that door. Especially nowadays, with us being more of a, I would say, a global market, or at least communicating through online services, whether it be online web stores or different avenues or sources where you can get door hardware, you're starting to see a lot more door hardware brands pop up, or door hardware parts pop up. And you have to, as a commercial building owner or contractor, you don't want to get taken advantage of and be purchasing a product that's actually an inferior product and does not meet is not fire rated, essentially. This is huge in the kick. If you actually search for kick plates or door closers, or anything like that, you'd weather stripping or even hinges and things of that nature, you'd be surprised at what products are out there that may look similar but do not have the fire rating or the certification. So that's just something to be aware of. But the quick way to figure out if your door is fire rated or not is to simply swing open the door and then inspect the heel of the door where the door is attached to the hinges. There will usually be a fire label there if the door is fire rated. Now with interior doors, like the wraparound drywall type of frames, they can be rated for up to 90 minutes. A lot of wood doors you'll see will have fire ratings for 20 minutes or 60 minutes, or like I said, up to 90 minutes. Exterior doors that are masonry frames, those can be fire rated for up to 3 hours. But again, it's always smart to check before you start looking for purchasing any type of commercial door hardware or commercial door components. Now, at Automatic Door and Hardware, we actually manufacture hollow metal steel doors, storefront aluminum doors, and commercial wood doors. So with our products, with our door hardware products, we always make sure we have the products that we can be installing on our own commercial doors that we sell. So with us, like for example, if you buy a commercial door closer from us, it is UL10C certified for fire door assemblies. Our weather stripping you're able to install those on fire doors. We try to only offer the products that we know can be installed on commercial doors. So with us, you can have the peace of mind knowing you're getting the right product for your commercial door. If you guys have any other questions about how to check if your door is fire rated or not, feel free to email us at sales@autodoorandhardware.com. And I'll link our website below so you can shop for commercial doors, whether they be fire rated or non-fire rated, and commercial door hardware, whether they be fire rated or non-fire rated. All right, thanks guys.